Alright, got this in the mail today from Carlsbad, California. Okay, there we go. So, I think it might be a redemption from Upper Deck replacement, but I don't know. So let's open it up. Because I'm not expecting anything from California, so I don't know. Try not to look at any of the cards. Here they are. We're going to put them underneath here. It is from Upper Deck. Blah, blah, blah. Who cares? Got two cards. First. Oh, nice. Jared Allen. UD Black. Autograph. 35 out of 50. Nice. That's the first card. Second. Got another Jared Allen. Really? That's a nice card, but I mean, I'll take it, but I was expecting maybe something other than two Jared Allens, but I will certainly take it. Jared Allen, Sign of the Times of SP Authentic. And apparently that's not numbered. At least I don't see a numbering on it. Still a nice card. Jared Allen. That is it. Later.